Hello and welcome everyone to India Beauty Workshops. Today we are going to be having a free session and I welcome you all to this class of today and a very happy Sunday to all of you. I hope you all are able to hear my voice clearly, and if you are able to hear my voice, please do give me a thumbs up in the chat box so that we can further proceed with the session. If all of you are able to hear me clearly, please to give me a thumbs up, students. Okay, amazing. We have a lot of thumbs ups. The voice is clear, and that means we can start with the session. So my name is Rupali Jain, and I am going to be your trainer and formulator today. I am the owner and founder of India Beauty Workshops, India Beauty Raw Materials, and India Beauty Skincare. And today I am going to help you all learn the making of a very nice, simple, and amazing hair mist. And together we are going to be understanding a lot of details in this session. This is a free workshop specially conducted for all of you, so that all of those who are actually interested in starting something of your own, having a business of your own, or a small setup wherein you can make products at your home and sell it to others, your friends, family, online or even offline. This is going to be very helpful for all of you, and that is what my motive is, to help everyone become independent and further learn the making of nice natural products which you can make and use for yourself also and for others also. And one such formulation is going to be the hair mist, the Lily and Blossom hair mist, for which all of you have joined in today, and we are going to be learning the making process of this together. Now all of you who are here today, do let me know if you are excited for the class. Give me a thumbs up or give me any emoji that you all like to use, and that will really help me understand if you all are here with me, excited for the session, and you all are ready to make these products and further sell this to your customers. If you don't have a brand also of your own currently, but you are aiming to do that, and you are wanting to have a brand of your own, a skincare brand of your own or a hair care brand of your own, a lot of you would who have joined in here, I'm sure you might be somewhere or the other interested in these things, and that is why you've joined in today. So I am going to be helping you all make this hair mist today. I will be sharing you all I'll be sharing with you all the entire ingredient details. The making process is what I'll show you all, and for all of those who already have a brand, you can start selling this hair mist. You can increase your entire existing range, and you can add this into your product range. For all of those who are aspiring to become a skincare or hair care formulator, or to start a skincare or hair care brand, this workshop is also going to be very insightful and helpful to you all, because we are going to be also sharing a beautiful offer with all of you. That is going to be a special hair care offer that we will have, and that will further help you all also start your business and get the idea about this industry, as to how you can learn to make different products and start with this process. So all of these details we are going to be covering in this session. We have a lot more students joined in, so welcome to the session. And let's understand firstly what kind of a product we are going to be making today. So today we are going to be covering a hair mist. Now the full name of this, as you all would have checked in the image that was shared with all of you, the full name of this is Lily and Blossom hair mist. So very nice, interesting name we have here. And this is going to have ingredients like lily, blossom, and a lot more natural and healthy ingredients for the hair. You can make this easily at home, and this will be a professional recipe that we will be learning today, which is going to also have a good shelf life and which is very much suitable for selling purposes, right? So this will not be like a DIY which will go bad in a few days, but this will be a proper recipe, a proper formulation that we are going to be learning today. Now this hair mist that we are going to be making today is going to focus a lot on giving your hair a very fresh and fragrance feel, right? So what this will do is this will hydrate your hair very well. This is going to further make your hair strands very soft, shiny in appearance. And as this as the main benefit of this hair mist, we are going to add in some beautiful fragrances into this, which are going to help our hair smell good, right? This is something which is the main work of the hair mist that we'll be making today, is to work like a nice natural mist which will help your hair smell good. A nice aroma is what you will be getting out of this, and along with this we'll also be focusing on different hair care benefits also, like hydration, reduction of frizziness, further improving the elasticity of the hair follicles. All of these are the additional benefits that we are going to be looking at, and you can apply this hair mist on a daily basis. That is one of the main beautiful benefits of this, is that you don't have to have a specific time to apply this. You want to apply this before shampoo, you can apply this. If you want to apply this after shampoo, in the daytime, in the night time, anytime you want to give your hair a good hydration, and anytime you want your hair to smell good, you can apply this hair mist at that time. Suppose you are going out for a party or an occasion, or even on a general basis you are going out for some work, and you just want, just like how we care for our skin and for our body, we apply nice natural perfume, or something nice for the cream. All of this we give to our skin and to our body. But for the hair also, this hair mist is going to give your hair the hydration. It is going to help your hair smell good, and that will further add freshness into your overall look and appearance, and further also make you confident, happy, and nice on an overall basis. So this is the kind of benefits that we will be looking at. And if everything until now has been clear, students, please do give me a thumbs up. I would like to know that if all of the things we have discussed regarding the functions of the hair mist, how to apply the hair mist, when to apply the hair mist, if everything until now has been clear, please do give me a thumbs up. And after this we are going to be understanding the ingredients one by one, and we are going to be seeing what are the benefits we are going to be getting out of these ingredients. Okay, vendor details for purchasing raw materials are also going to be shared. So if you are new in this industry, don't worry, because every detail is going to be shared with you. I am going to make sure that you are going to be able to make this hair mist. If this is going to be your first product, first trial at making a hair care product, you are going to be absolutely successful if you stay in this session till the end. So just be positive, have a smile on your face, keep a pen and a notebook, and we are going to now start with understanding the ingredients one by one. Okay, so first ingredient is going to be our DM water, right? The hair mist that we are going to be making is going to be a water-like product. We're going to be filling it in a spray bottle, because it will be a mist, right? Just like how we have the face toners, face mists, right? You can just spray it all over your face. So similarly, the hair mist will also have a same or similar kind of a consistency. Okay, so you will be able to spray it all over your hair, and that is how easy it will be to apply. And for that reason, DM water is going to be our first product. DM water means demineralized water. Demineralized water. Now whenever we make any cosmetic formulation, we always use DM water or distilled water, right? Whenever we are making products for selling purposes, we will never be using tap water or boiling water or RO water, because they will not be able to give us a good shelf life into the formulation, right? So they will not help us preserve the formulation, and a formulation will not be good enough. So this is what we will be using. It is very easily available. So this is going to be the first ingredient, the main base of the formulation, right? Into this water, we are then going to be adding in all of the other ingredients that we are using in this hair mist. Second ingredient is going to be our aloe vera hydrosol, right? This is how it looks like. Again, it looks like a water-like product, a water-like consistency, but this is aloe vera hydrosol. Now aloe vera hydrosol is going to be just like a water-like product, but it has all of the benefits of aloe vera in it. right? So this water that we can see here, this has in it all benefits of aloe vera infused into this via a particular process, right? So this is going to, the aloe vera hydrosol is going to help us with moisturizing of our scalp. Aloe vera is very good for, you know, our scalp, and it helps us, you know, keeping it nourished, keeping it moisturized for a very long period of time. This is also going to help us add shine to our hair, right? So it will further, you know, remove the dullness from your hair, the roughness from your hair. It will make your hair much more shinier and silkier in appearance. So this is our second natural ingredient and works very beautifully for all hair types, right? So any hair type that you have, be it curly hair, be it straight hair, this is going to be very, very helpful for you. Okay, and all of the ingredients that we are using here, they are all going to be natural, plus you will be able to procure them very easily. So don't worry, at the end of the session I am going to be sharing with you all the vendor details where you will get all of these ingredients, right? Next is going to be our vitamin B5, okay, also known as panthenol powder. So this is our third ingredient, which is vitamin B5. Now vitamin B5 is again a very beautiful ingredient for the hair. It comes in a powder form, right? This is the cosmetic grade vitamin B5 that we have, right? So this is going to help us hydrate our hair follicles and our scalp. So what happens is that the molecules of vitamin B5 are very, very small, so they penetrate into our scalp very easily and provide us with the hydration and the moisturization into the scalp and the hair follicles, keeping it nourished and hydrated for a long period of time. Along with this, our vitamin B5 is also very good for removing frizz from the hair. Frizz is a very common issue that, you know, we face, right? Be it any hair type, a lot of people face frizzy hair issues. So this hair mist, because we are adding vitamin B5 into this will help us in controlling the frizziness into the hair. And also if you have dry hair issues, right? If you have dry hair, rough hair, right, it is lacking in hydration, this is going to be very good for you for removing that dryness into the hair and the roughness into the hair, making your hair very soft and healthy in appearance. So these are the benefits of vitamin B5 into the formulation. Okay, I'll just repeat the ingredients we have discussed until now. Firstly is our DM water. Demineralized water is the full form of this. Second is aloe vera hydrosol. Okay, third is our vitamin B5. Next is going to be our glycerin. Okay, glycerin is another very common ingredient that a lot of us use, right, in our skincare and hair care. It is a very good ingredient for hydration of the skin and also for the hair, right? If you just take a bit of glycerin and you add it into some hair care product, it will add in a lot more nourishment into that product and make your hair very soft, very silky, very smooth and very shinier in appearance, right? So glycerin is going to be very good for conditioning your hair. So, you know, just like how we have the hair conditioners, glycerin is also one such ingredient which further adds conditioning into the hair, again making the hair softer and very, you know, manageable in appearance. And while you are combing your hair, it is going to be much more manageable for you to work with your hair. Next, glycerin is also very good for reducing hair breakage, because this will hydrate your hair and this will, you know, further soften your hair, make it more manageable. This will also reduce the hair breakage because it will add elasticity to the hair, right? When we are adding glycerin into our hair mist, this will improve the elasticity of our hair. So while you are combing your hair, the elasticity will improve, and that is why you will not have breakage in your hair, right? It will reduce that breakage from the hair. Then we have our fragrances that we are going to be adding here, which are going to be the main part of this, because here the hair mist that we are going to be making is an alcohol free hair mist, right? A natural hair mist is what we will be making today, and we are looking at a good fragrance out of it, right? Something that you can spray on the hair and you have a very beautiful fresh feeling from your hair. So for that we will be adding in some fragrances also. Okay, so first is going to be our Lily fragrance water soluble. Okay, this is going to be our first fragrance, just like what we have written in the name, Lily and Blossom hair mist. So the first is going to be Lily fragrance water soluble. Water soluble means that it is water soluble in nature. So when we are adding it into our DM water, our hydrosol, this will mix into that very easily because this is soluble in water. Okay, so this is our first ingredient. This will further help us in, you know, adding that beautiful floral fragrance into our hair mist, and the hair will smell fresher and nicer in you know, when you spray this hair mist. Then we have our cherry blossom fragrance water soluble. So this is our cherry blossom fragrance water soluble. All of this I'm going to be telling you all where you can get these ingredients from. So cherry blossom fragrance and lily fragrance, we are going to be combining these together, and the combination that we are going to be having is going to be a very nice floral, fruity and very fresh fragrance that we will be getting out of this hair mist. A very beautiful nice fragrance which is going to be liked by everyone, right? Something that everyone is going to like. That is the kind of hair mist fragrance that we are going to be choosing here. So we will be mixing these two together. And then we have our preservative. Since we are, you know, making a professional formulation and we want to sell these products, a safe and nice preservative is going to be required, right? So for that purpose we are going to be adding in liquid Germall Plus. Okay, this is liquid Germall Plus, which is our broad spectrum preservative that we are going to be using here, and this is going to help us preserve our overall formulation, prevent the growth of bacteria, fungus into the overall formulation, giving us a good shelf life. So you can keep using this product for a long period of time, and even if you are selling this to your customers, they can also keep using this for a long period of time. And lastly we have our pink liquid color water soluble. So for all of those who would like to, you know, just add a little bit of aesthetic appearance into the formulation, we are going to be using cosmetic grade colors into this. So this will just add a very light pinkish tint into our hair mist. So our hair mist is further going to look much more beautiful in appearance, right? We will not be adding food color or any other random color, students. We will only be using cosmetic grade colors, and this is a water soluble pink color that I am going to be adding in here. Okay, so these are all of the ingredients that we are going to be using here, and once we start with the making process, I am going to be sharing the quantities of these ingredients with you. So you can also write down the quantities, and that will complete your formulation and that will help you in making the product. I will again repeat the ingredients once and then we will move further. So firstly we have DM water, then we have aloe vera hydrosol, next is panthenol powder, which is also called as vitamin B5, right? Then we have our glycerin. Next is our fragrances. So one is going to be our lily fragrance water soluble. Then we have our cherry blossom fragrance water soluble. Next is our preservative liquid Germall Plus. And lastly we have our pink liquid color water soluble, right? So all of these ingredients, 8 ingredients, we are going to be adding in here, which is going to help us in making a very beautiful hair mist today. And this is what we are going to be making today, right? So in a few minutes we are also going to be starting with the making process. Until now, if everything is clear to all of you students, do give me a thumbs up or do type in a yes in the chat box, and that will help us understand that we can proceed further. Do type in a yes or do give me a thumbs up if everything is clear to all of you. You all understood the ingredients, you all understood you know, what all we are going to be adding in. So after this I am just going to take 2 minutes to set up the workplace. We are going to be understanding about the offer first. which is only going to be valid for today. So I'll tell you all what all you have in the offer and how you can avail the offer. And after this, we are going to be making the hair mist. Okay, and during the making process, I'm going to be telling you all the quantities, how much we are adding of each ingredient. Okay students, so I hope you all are able to see my screen. If everyone is able to see my screen, please do give me a thumbs up, because I am going to be telling you all the special offer which you all will be able to understand what the offer is and how you can avail this. Okay, we have a lot of thumbs ups from a lot of students. I hope everyone is able to see my screen, students. So I am presenting in front of you our special master course, which is the hair care master course. And if you are someone who already has a hair care brand of your own, or if you are passionate about starting a hair care brand of your own, and something, if you want to make and be independent, which can help yourself and which can also help other people grow their hair, stop their hair fall and all of these concerns, if you are looking to treat for yourself and for the community around you, and if you are looking to earn profits out of this on a daily basis, then the hair care master course is going to be a life-changing offer for you. This comes with video plus PDF courses. So the courses that you see here, these are all the courses that you are going to be learning, right? And the fees for this is 25,000, but only for today, the ones who have joined in this live session, who has taken out time for this live session, only for all of you students, we have this special offer wherein you can avail this full master course at just rupees 4,999. So it is going to be at a huge 80% discount only and only for today. And I'll tell you all what all we are going to be learning, and this is going to help us in learning everything from scratch. So you will be learning curly hair deep hydrating shampoo, amla and shikakai gel shampoo. All of these are going to be from scratch with safe and natural ingredients which are going to work very well on the hair and which are going to just look like market based products or even better than market based products. Then you will also learn color protection shampoos. So for people who have hair color on their hair, right, for people who have colored their hair, there are special shampoos which we provide and which we will teach to you, which you can give to those people who have hair colored, right? So argan color protection shampoo, avocado color protection shampoo, all of these are the kind of shampoos that you can make and sell for special category of people who color their hair on a regular basis. So that is going to further make their hair much more healthier in appearance and much more better in appearance. Next, you will also learn to make hair conditioners. So things like curl enhancing hair conditioner, or even hair conditioner for straight hair, normal hair, for all hair types, something like hibiscus spa hair conditioner. All of these we are going to be learning in this session. And all of this is going to come with video plus PDF. So PDF of the formulation is what you will be getting, wherein you will be shown the ingredients to use and how much quantity to use. Vendor details will be given to take your raw materials, and the entire process of making from scratch will be shared with you. You'll also learn to make beautiful hair serums, something like natural leave-on hair serum, Ayurvedic special hair smoothing serum, plant-based anti-dandruff hair pack, itch removal herbal hair pack, deep conditioning hair repair masks. So the creamy hair masks that we get, the powder based hair masks that we get in the market, all of this you are going to be learning, and we have a huge variety of products here. So you can learn this and launch your entire hair care brand just with this investment of 4,999. Not just this, you will also learn a Gotukola Gloss and Shine Hair Mist, Fenugreek and Blue Pea Hair Growth Tonic, Herbal Hair Repair Tonic, and these are going to all be very effective formulations. And as you can see, I've tried to put in a lot of varieties here, right? So something like shampoo, conditioner, serum, powder based hair packs, creamy hair masks, hair mist, hair tonic, all of this you're going to be learning, which is going to help you build an entire hair care brand of your own, and which is going to give you all lakhs of profits once you start this and once you scale this. It is not going to take you a lot of time to actually earn huge profits, because hair care is something that is growing each day. The industry of hair care products is growing each day, and everyone is looking for something that is effective, something that is going to treat their hair fall, hair concerns, and help them grow back their hair, and these products are going to help you all with this. So if you have any concerns like dandruff, itching, hair growth issues, constant hair fall, thinning of hair, all of these products are going to be very magical for even you, and even for all of the customers who take these products from you. And not only this, along with this, for free you're also going to be getting some more formulations like rosemary damage repair gel shampoo, Bhringraj and Hibiscus Silk and Shine shampoo. All of these are going to come to you for free. So in 4999 you're not just getting the above formulations, but these are also going to be a bonus that you will be getting. Milk protein moisture therapy conditioner, rosemary voluminous hair conditioner, silk and shine hair serum, hair growth pack, anti hair fall tonic, cherry blossom hair mist. All of these you're going to be learning as additional bonus once you take this course, and this is for 25,000 if you take it at any other time, but for only and only today this is at 4999. And trust me, these are going to be highly advanced professional formulations which are going to help you compete with all of the brands that are there in the market, and they are going to be giving you very beautiful results. And once you learn these formulations, you are going to become a guaranteed hair care formulator because of all of the detailed knowledge that you will be getting in this course. So you're not just going to get the video and the PDF, but you are going to understand the benefit of each ingredient, how to use for each product, when to apply each product, making of each product, pH testing, packaging, everything you will be shown in the video. And you will also get a few more bonuses, so they are not going to end. There are a lot of bonuses that we have added into this formulation. So along with the free bonus formulations, you will also get lifetime access to your study material. So you will be getting video demonstration and PDF for all of these courses, and along with this you will also get free bonus PDF formulations, the ones that we just discussed. You will get one-on-one lifetime doubt solving. So anytime you have any issue, you can contact us. You can contact our team via email, via WhatsApp, or you can get a call scheduled and you can solve your queries with me. So one-on-one lifetime doubt solving is what we'll be giving you as part of these courses in the hair care master course. So anytime you watch any video, any concerns you have while you're making, if you have any doubts, if you want any guidance, I am going to be there to help you and solve your issue. Raw material vendor details will be shared, so where you can get all of the raw materials to start your work, I am going to be sharing that as well with you. E-certificate of course will be shared. So once you complete your course, you are going to be getting an e-certificate also, which you can show as a proof that yes, you know the making of hair care formulations and you are a professional hair care formulator. And along with this, last but not the least, this is going to be a self-paced recorded class. So once you enroll for this course today, within the class, what you will get is your videos, your PDFs, and you will have lifetime access to this, right? So if you don't have time today, you can watch them tomorrow. If you don't have time tomorrow, you can watch them after 1 month. This is going to be there with you for lifetime. So even 40 years down the line, if you want to go ahead and watch these videos, it is going to be there with you for a lifetime, right? So just 4999 is what you have to pay, and you are getting a 20,000 rupees discount if you enroll today in the hair care master course. And suppose you want to even watch one video today or half video today, you can do that, because this you can watch as per your time and your convenience, right? You don't have to take out time for this. Whenever you get the time, you can open your videos, you can open your PDFs, and you can watch. And if you want to make any notes, you can do that. If you want to practice the making of this, you can do that very conveniently, because all of this study material will be there for you for an entire lifetime. So this is the offer we have, and this is a special first time offer that we are ever launching for the hair care products. And we've never ever launched this kind of an offer at such a huge discount. So a 20,000 rupees discount is a huge discount we are offering only for one time, and only for people who are there in this class today. And I am also going to be sharing with you all what some of our students have made, right? So what some students have made and what are their reviews, what they are saying, all of this I'm going to be showing you here on the screen. So we have some students who have given us our reviews, and these are just a very limited amount of reviews that I have accumulated in one image, just to help you all understand that yes, people are making products and you can also be a successful hair care formulator. I am going to give you the guarantee for that. So we have here one student saying, ma'am, I've tried your formulations, it's fantastic, thank you. We have some more people saying in, I've gone through the video, it was very informative and I would like to buy the trial kit. And she really liked all of the formulations, the videos that she went through. Then we have a student here showing us her clay mask. So one of the products which she made, she's showing us the image of that and she's very happy with it. Few more students made different other products. So someone has made in a tinted powder and she's loving the texture for it and she has shared that with me. Then we have some people making body butters. Again, they have shared in the image for that. Explanation is amazing, so simplified. Thanks a ton for this. We have some more students who have made gel face wash, and they have also shared the image of how the watermelon gel face wash looks like. Looks beautiful, and they've also written the name of the product on top of that, so it looks very nice. And there's one more review. I've made Korean skin brightening mousse and the result is very good. So this is just to help you all understand that all of the people who join us and who come with us, enroll for different courses, different sessions, all of them are able to make products for sure. And if you enroll today, this is going to be a life-changing offer, and if this is something that you relate to, this is the course for you and you should definitely enroll for this. I am going to also share a few products that I have here made in different courses, different workshops. So that will further help you all understand what kind of products we make and what is the level of products we make. It is not just going to be a DIY. It is going to be a proper formulation for selling purposes. So here we have a fresh and volumizing dry shampoo, right? So dry shampoo is going to help you gain volume into your hair without washing your hair, right? So this is a very unique product that this we have made in one of our classes. Next we have our anti-dandruff hair tonic. Just look at how beautiful the color is, a beautiful greenish color we have here, and this is especially for anti-dandruff purposes. Next we have an amla and basil hair repair tonic. All of these products are what we have made in different courses, and if you want to learn the making of these kind of products, you have to join in the class at 4,999, and it is going to be a special offer. This is our cooling neem and mint body splash. I've tried to bring different mixtures of products, or something for the hair, something for the body, everything you will see here. This is a face serum that we have made in a very beautiful emulsified gel texture is what we have here. This is one baby shampoo we learned in one of our courses. This is how it looks like. A very beautiful texture is what we have here. A very beautiful color is what we have here. If you see the thickness, We have a very nice viscosity into the formulation. Here is another shampoo, damage repair and hair growth shampoo. Then we have some conditioners here. All of these I've just brought in to show you all and give you all an idea of the kind of formulations you can also learn and you can start making from home with the least amount of investment. Hair care and skincare is one such industry wherein you need very less investment in the starting, and as and when you are moving ahead, you start earning huge profits in it. This is an intense smoothness and shine anti-frizz hair conditioner. So all of the different packaging what I am using, all of this I am going to show you in the class. This is a water based hair serum. Just look at the consistency, how we have a very beautiful consistency. See, just like how we have products in the market, or even better than that is what you will be learning. This is another hair serum. This is also a hair tonic that we have. Just look at the beautiful color. I'm sure everyone will love to apply this product. Here we have some gels. So all professional formulations you will be learning, right? If you are looking to start your hair care brand, this is your sign, and definitely you should not skip this opportunity. Here are some hair packs. This is an anti-dandruff hair pack, right? And this is a hair growth pack. So these are some products which I have tried to accumulate here in this class to show you all the kind of products which you can also make. Even if you have not made any product until now, I am going to take the guarantee that you will become a skincare and hair care formulator once you connect with us, and once you join the hair care master course, you are going to be an expert at making hair care formulations, right? So these are what I have here brought for all of you, and I'll just keep this aside. This is the QR code for India Beauty Workshops. You all can take a screenshot, and on this you can pay 4,999 and you can share it on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 8840514505. The same number via which you have enrolled. On that same number you can share the screenshot, and this offer is only going to be valid until today. This is okay. Now moving ahead with our hair mist, let's start with the making of our hair mist, and one by one I am going to be telling you all what I am going to be adding here, and I am going to be sharing with you the quantity also of that ingredient. Okay, so firstly we are going to be making a 100-gram batch. Okay, 100-gram product is what I will be making today. And if my voice is clear to all of you, please just give me a thumbs up so that I can start by sharing in the ingredients. Okay, great. Amazing. Thank you students for all of those who have shared in the thumbs up. Thank you so much for confirming. And the first ingredient is going to be DM water. DM water I am adding in 57.4 grams. Okay, this is what I am adding in here, 57.4 grams of DM water. Please note this down students, so that you have the recipe with you and you can actually make this. So please note this down, and if someone wants, they can also write down the recipe in the chat box, so that if anyone is missing out, they can also write that down. Okay, DM water 57.4 grams. Next is aloe vera hydrosol. This I am adding in 30 grams. 30 grams of aloe vera hydrosol is what I am adding in into this beaker. Okay, I am going to add in the ingredients here into this beaker one by one, and as and when I am adding in, I am showing you all the process and I am telling you all the quantities. Aloe vera hydrosol 30 grams. Next is going to be our vitamin B5 powder. Okay, vitamin B5, okay, is what I am going to be adding in next, which is 2 grams. Okay, 2 grams of vitamin B5 we will be adding in here. So it is in the powder form. So this will further dissolve in water. Okay, we are going to firstly add in panthenol powder, which is our vitamin B5, 2 grams. And after adding, we are going to give this a stir. So while stirring, the powder of vitamin B5 will dissolve into the liquid ingredients, because this is soluble in water. Okay, so as and when I am stirring, this will dissolve in the water very easily just by stirring it. Right, so as you can see, the particles are dissolving on their own just by stirring. So vitamin B5 is going to dissolve very easily. I have added in 2 grams of this. Okay, whenever you all are making, just give it a stir once. Okay, just give it a nice gentle stir and it will dissolve in your water. Okay, very easy to add. Next is glycerin. Glycerin will be 6 grams. Okay, glycerin I am adding in 6 grams. This is vegetable glycerin, very easily available, and I am going to be sharing with you all the vendor details also. So all of this you can also get at one place together. Okay, this is glycerin 6 grams. Okay, next is going to be our fragrances. So firstly I will add lily fragrance water soluble, 2 grams. Lily fragrance I am adding in 2 grams, and I will give it a stir now so that this fragrance can dissolve into the other ingredients. Okay, just by giving it a stir, this will mix and we will have a nice homogeneous consistency, right? So just a nice stir I am giving in and it is good to go. Next is our cherry blossom fragrance, again 2 grams, and both of these combined are going to give you a very heavenly fragrance, a very beautiful fragrance you will be getting out of your hair mist with the combination of these two. It is a very beautiful combination. Okay, so again we'll give it a mix. Cherry blossom fragrance water soluble 2 grams. Okay, this is what we are adding in here. All of those students who are paying in for the hair care master course, please just wait until the class ends. Okay, you all can just send in the screenshot of your payment. Okay, and after the class ends, I will be contacting you all via the WhatsApp and I will be giving you all the study material. Okay, so just send us the screenshot, don't worry, and you will get your study material today itself. Okay, I can see already we have 3 people who are messaging me on WhatsApp. So please students, thank you for enrolling, and after the class I am going to be sharing with you all the study material. Okay, next is going to be our liquid Germall plus preservative. Okay, this is 0.5 grams. You all can note down the quantity, students. Please do keep a pen and a paper as mentioned in the WhatsApp. For free workshops, you will have to note down the recipe, and for paid workshops, we will be giving you the PDF. So you don't have to write down anything separately. Okay, so I've just added in my preservative, which is liquid Germall plus, which is 0.5 grams. Okay, 0.5 grams of preservative we have added in, and while stirring, as you can see, this has also dissolved very nicely into the overall formulation, right? So just we'll keep giving in a gentle stir and all of our ingredients are going to mix in together. It's going to be a very easy formulation for everyone. If you are even a beginner, you can very easily make this and you are going to love the results. So do share images with me once you make your formulation. I would love to see that. Now I am adding in the liquid color, the pink cosmetic grade liquid color. I've just added in a very small amount of this, and this is 0.1 grams. Okay, we'll just give this a stir and this will just add a beautiful pinkish tint into our hair mist. Just how beautiful this looks. These are all safe to use colors, especially for cosmetic formulations, and this is only and only what we will be using. No other color we will be using, because then it will not be safe for the skin or hair. These are safe colors, cosmetic grade, only for this purpose. Okay, so this will just add a beautiful aesthetic appearance into our formulation, and this will look very beautiful. Okay, I'll repeat the ingredients once again. Firstly, we have DM water, 57.4 grams. Next is aloe vera hydrosol, 30 grams, 3030. Vitamin B5, 2 grams. Glycerin, 6 grams. Then we have lily fragrance, 2 grams. Cherry blossom fragrance, 2 grams. Preservative, liquid germol plus, 0.5 grams, and our pink liquid color, which is 0.1 gram. This is all that we have added in here, all of these 8 ingredients, and the total of this will come to 100 grams. Okay, and we are now also going to pack this up into a container. So our formulation is not yet done. We will be packing this up in a nice spray bottle for easy usage, and this will help us in using our product. So here I have taken a clean bottle with me, and you can also find these bottles very easily. So the vendor detail website that I will be sharing, there itself you will get these bottles. So very easy for you all to get all of this, and this is how the product looks like. All of those who are enjoying the process and liking the hair mist, do give me a thumbs up, or do give me I like it message, and this is going to be really helpful for us to understand. So we have a lot of people giving us hearts, thumbs ups. Amazing, amazing. That is really glad that you all are here, students, and you all are attentive, enjoying the process. And see, this is how you all can also make the products, right? I showed you all the making of one product, but all of the products that are shown in the hair care master course, everything you will be able to make it. That is my guarantee. I am taking this guarantee, and you are going to be able to make those products and sell this to your customers for sure. Okay, amazing. Nivedita has also mentioned all of the quantities of the ingredients, so thank you, Nivedita, for this. That is really kind of you. We have Aparna saying in, thank you so much. At what rate can we sell this 100-gram bottle? So firstly, dear, I would say that try to have all of the ingredients with you. Take out the cost of that, the cost of the bottle, everything you will calculate, and you can accordingly add your profit into that. But on a general range, right, if I just give you an idea about what could be the range of selling, you can sell this anywhere between suppose 150 to 200 rupees. This is going to be a good enough price for this 100-gram bottle. You can also sell this beyond that. So if you want to sell at 250 also, that is also going to be good to go, right? So 150 to 200 or 250 is something that you can sell this at, because this is a natural hair mist, very beautiful and premium results this will give you. So good to go for every hair type. Suman is giving us a thumbs up. How to use, we are going to be looking at. Glycerin measurement is 6 grams, dear. Okay, 6 grams. Selling price is 150 to 200 or 250. Then we have ingredient seller contact. So yes, in the group I am going to be sharing with you all the vendor details, where you can get all of your raw materials and you can buy your ingredients. Okay, it is B5, dear, vitamin B5, and the vendor details also I'll just mention it here. So all of those who want to look at the vendor details once, you all can click on the website and go there, or you can wait for me to share it on the group. Students, share your screenshots. This is going to be at 4,999 only and only for today, and we are going to be closing the offer today in the evening itself. So make sure to book your seats fast. Coming to the usage for this product, you can just spray it onto your hair, right? Just like how you have the spray bottle, you can just spray it and use this product very easily. Okay, and anytime you want to spray it, you can spray it after shampoo, in the evening, in the daytime, because this is going to give us a very nice fresh feeling into the hair, a very good hydration and a very good fragrance. So if you're going for a party or even if you are at home on a daily basis, you can just spray it onto your hair, a few pumps of this, and just comb your hair and leave it on. That is how you can use this product. Manorma is saying thanks for the valuable information. No need to oil the hair. No dear, you can just apply it on normal dry hair and leave it on. This will give you a very nice fragrance and hydrate your hair. It's a water based spray, so it is going to be good for application on a daily basis. Safe to spray on the scalp also and also on the hair. On the scalp, this will give us the hydration, and on the hair, this will give us shine plus fragrance. Daily we can apply it here. Yes, we can apply this daily. Suman is saying thanks ma'am, very nice session. Nivedita is saying thanks. Glad you all enjoyed the session, students, and we already have 7 enrollments for the hair care master course. All of those who all have joined in, thank you students for joining in. Just keep waiting in for a little while and I am going to help you with the study material very soon. You all can pay on the QR code. Any questions if you all have with regards to the hair care master course, you can mention that and I would be happy to help you out. Sheetal is saying thank you ma'am. We have VSP Consultancy saying thank you so much. Glad you all enjoyed the session, students. Really amazing to have you all in today's workshop. And all of those who are wanting to start a skincare or hair care brand of your own, you can do that from home itself with India Beauty Workshops. Vendor details I'm going to be sharing in the group, dear. Okay, the India Beauty group, the WhatsApp group, I will share it there. And we have Asma saying in thanks ma'am. We have Kartiki saying in thank you ma'am, nice session. Thank you students, glad you all understood everything, you all enjoyed the session, and I hope you all are going to enjoy your Sunday ahead. How much for that paid class? So for the lip mask and lip balm course, it is for 1,999, and if you enroll in the early bird offer, you will get a 800 discount, so it will be at 1199 rupees. Okay, 1199 rupees for the lip mask and lip balm course. You will be learning 3 professional formulations with lifetime access to PDF and study material, vendor details. All of this you are going to be getting with this class. And for all of those who are looking to enroll for the hair care master course or for the lip mask and lip balm course, you all can connect with us on our WhatsApp number. I'll just mention my WhatsApp number again here. 8840514505. Okay, this is our WhatsApp number for anyone who would like to connect with us there. You all can message us and enroll for your session. Do make the hair mist. I'm going to be sharing with you all the vendor details today itself, and you can get your raw materials very easily and make this. Do share images after you make this and I would love to see. Thank you students, and bye bye. Have a great day ahead.